Hello friends, let's learn bird's name in English. Sparrow, sparrow. Crow, crow. Pigeon, pigeon. Eagle, eagle. Peacock, peacock. Owl, owl. Bat, bat. Swan, swan. Flamingo, flamingo. Hummingbird, hummingbird. Duck, duck. Parrot, parrot. Kingfisher, kingfisher. Robin, robin. Canary, canary. Hawk, hawk. Magpie, magpie. Vulture, vulture. Woodpecker, woodpecker. Crane, crane. Seagull, seagull. Penguin, penguin. Falcon, falcon. Stork, stork. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Pelican, pelican. Ostrich, ostrich. Token, token. Emu, emu. Kiwi, kiwi. Myna, myna. Quail, quail. Hornbill, hornbill. Weaver bird, weaver bird. Goldfinch, goldfinch. Pheasant, pheasant. Woodcock, woodcock. Nightingale, nightingale. Albatross, albatross. Partridge, partridge. Heron, heron. Blackbird, blackbird. Puffin, puffin. Jay, jay. Swallow, swallow. Wren, wren. Eagle owl, eagle owl. Bee eater, bee eater.